Hello everyone. Today I am making winter special Maharashtrian recipe Methiche Ladoo. For this, take 4 tablespoons of methi seeds and dry roast them on low flame until nicely brown. Once cooled, grind them into a fine powder. Add ghee to this mixture, mix well and let it rest overnight. Now dry roast 1.5 cup of makhanas until crisp. Next, roast all the ingredients separately. The complete list is given below. These Methiche Ladoos are not just delicious, they are packed with goodness. Methi helps improve digestion and boost immunity, especially during winters. They are known to support joint health, reduce body pain, and give natural strength and energy. Methi also helps in balancing blood sugar levels when consumed in moderation. These ladoos are especially beneficial for women's health and are traditionally made during winter to nourish the body from within, a perfect combination of taste and health. Roast some pitted dates into the ghee. I have taken 200 grams. Take 3 cups of whole wheat flour and dry roast it. Gradually add the ghee. Roast it until you get nice brown color. Now switch the flame off and add our overnight soaked methi powder mix. Mix it well into the hot mixture. Once cooled, grind all the ingredients separately. Healthy, nourishing and homemade, this Methi Ladoo is one of those traditional recipes that truly cares for your body. So please do give it a try. Now add the cooled wheat flour mixture into the grinded mixture. Mix well. This part needs some muscle power. Now in a pan, add 1 cup of jaggery and a teaspoon of ghee and melt the jaggery. Now add this melted jaggery into our mixture. Shape them into perfect little ladoos, ready to enjoy. If you had fun watching, hit like, share and subscribe. It's totally free.